Bonjour. In this topic or in this video, we are going to talk about wishes in French. Let's go straight to the lesson.
The French master guides, the French master guides, the French master guides, the French master guides.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
If you meet someone in the morning, before leaving the person, you can wish the person a good day by saying bonne journée. Bonne journée. You are leaving, okay? You can wish the person a very good day or a very fruitful day by saying bonne journée. You can also say agréable journée. Agréable journée. Or je te souhaite une agréable journée. Je te souhaite une agréable journée. Okay? Or simply say bonne journée, meaning that you are wishing the person a good day. If it's in the afternoon, you are leaving the person in the afternoon, you can wish the person a good afternoon. Kindly note that in French, there's no greeting as good afternoon. There's nothing like that as an afternoon greeting. No. So you can only wish someone a very good afternoon when you are leaving the person. So when you are leaving the person, you can say bon après-midi. Passez un bon après-midi. Passez un bon après-midi. Or je vous souhaite un bon après-midi. Okay? Or bon après-midi, meaning you are wishing the person a very good afternoon. Right? Okay. Assuming you are on the phone with your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, or your wife, and the person is leaving, the person is going to bed, you can wish the person a good night by saying bonne nuit or je te souhaite une bonne nuit. Je te souhaite une bonne nuit. Or simply say bonne nuit chérie. Okay? Bonne nuit mon cher ami. Bonne nuit chérie means good night my dear. After bonne nuit, you can add beau rêve. Beau rêve means sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Okay? Like you are wishing the person sweet dreams. Beau rêve, that's in the night, eh? Okay, we have special days that we celebrate people. So on these days, like for instance, a birthday, you say joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Or je te souhaite un joyeux anniversaire. Je te souhaite un joyeux anniversaire. So you are wishing the person a happy birthday. Joyeux anniversaire. Good. We have Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day, you say je te souhaite un bon Saint-Valentin. Je te souhaite un bon Saint-Valentin. Okay? I wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Je te souhaite un bon Saint-Valentin. Or simply say joyeux Saint-Valentin. Okay? Good. The next thing is Noel. Noel is Christmas in French. So to wish someone on Christmas Day, you say joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Okay. A happy and prosperous new year. From 1st January, we normally wish people a happy new year. How do you say that in French? In French, we say bonne et heureuse année. Bonne et heureuse année. Je te souhaite une bonne et heureuse année. Année is year. Okay? Bonne et heureuse. A happy and prosperous new year. Je te souhaite une bonne et heureuse année, Kofi. So how do you respond to wishes? Let's say someone says, bonne et heureuse année 2023, for instance. Happy and prosperous new year 2023. Okay, how do you respond? You say, mes vœux réciproques. Mes vœux réciproques. Know that in French, a wish is also called vœux. Un vœu. Okay? You can also say un souhait. Okay, so for you to respond to wishes, you can say mes vœux réciproques. Mes vœux réciproques. It's like saying same to you. You're also wishing the person the same things. Okay, merci beaucoup. Thank you for paying attention to this lesson. We now prepare ourselves for the next lesson.